In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an estimate to an invoice in FreshBooks. If you've already created an estimate and your client is ready to move forward, FreshBooks makes it easy to turn that estimate into an invoice without having to re-enter everything manually. This helps save time, reduces the chance of mistakes, and keeps your billing process organized. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and select Estimates. This will take you to the section where all of your saved estimates are listed. Next, locate the estimate you want to convert. If you have several estimates in your account, take a moment to find the correct one before opening it. Once you've found it, click on the estimate to view its full details. Now review the estimate information carefully. This is an important step because the invoice will be based on what's already in the estimate. Check that the client information is correct and make sure the items, quantities, and pricing all look accurate. Taking a few seconds here can help prevent invoicing errors later. After that, open the Available Actions menu on the estimate. In that menu, choose Convert to Invoice. FreshBooks will then generate a new invoice using the information from the estimate. When the invoice opens, review the invoice details to confirm that the estimate items have transferred over correctly. This is where you make sure the products or services, quantities, and pricing appear as expected on the new invoice. Then update the invoice information as needed. Review the invoice date, due date, and any other details that should be adjusted before sending it out. Depending on your workflow, this is also a good time to make sure everything matches your billing terms. Next, verify the invoice total. Double-check that the total amount on the invoice matches the estimate, unless you intentionally made changes. This final review helps ensure your client receives the correct billing amount. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the invoice. Saving confirms the invoice in FreshBooks and prepares it to be sent. Finally, click Send to deliver the invoice to your client. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review the message and make sure the invoice is going to the right recipient. And that's it. You've successfully converted an estimate into an invoice in FreshBooks. This is a simple but very useful feature that can make your invoicing process much faster and more consistent. Thanks for watching.